Hello and welcome back to this episode of Smash Engineering. Kind of a quick one for you, and I don't know how many people need this, but I noticed that there's not really many videos of this. So I'm working on the 99 Mercury Villager, and I came out from the grocery store the other day, and I found that someone had hit me and not left a note. So let's take a look at the damage. All right, so it's not terrible, but it happened. It popped this out, and I'm not so much worried about that it broke the tabs or whatever. I'm worried about that the lens is gone. If you look at this side, there's a lens here, so I'm gonna have to pop that out and go to the salvage yard and grab another one. So let's get started.
Smash Engineering.
Okay, so once you got your hood popped and securely safe so it doesn't fall on you, don't just start pulling on this. A lot of stuff like this is just kind of popped into place with clips. This one has, which I've never really seen before, it has like a Phillips head. So the first thing we're gonna do, pop that out. Don't lose your screw. We'll set that somewhere super safe, like right there. So that way if we forget about it, it falls down in here and possibly goes into the tire, because you know that's always fun. So the next thing we're gonna do is pull that light out. That is the only screw in that light. So the next thing we'll do is do a gentle. Now it is really cold out, so there's a good chance that this will break. But let's try not to. There we go. Not too bad. And the next thing you'll do is pop these loose, like that. Didn't want to break it, so I was double checking to see how it comes loose. But it's really that simple. You got the one screw. This kind of hinges in, so you got to pay attention. It hinges in around this, and take these off. And then this is your kind of your pressure piece that slides into your little clip here. All right, just got back from the salvage yard and I was able to find one. It's not in perfect condition. It's got a little crack here, but it's not all the way through, and it looks like it was, you know, sideswiped by something. But this gets me legal again, and that's really what I care about with this van. As you can tell, it's not a new van, and but it is a workhorse, and I do appreciate the van for what it is. So one thing you'll notice is this one has cracks on this piece here, but it's still holding just fine, so it doesn't concern me. So we'll take these out because I don't need them. If they're good, I'll throw them in the glove compartment and have some spares. So let's take these out. Oh, one thing you'll notice, oh yeah, that one's burnt out. One thing you'll notice too is on this, the bulb is not amber. So when this lens is gone, your blinker is technically no longer legal, at least where I live. So you must have this lens on there in order for the blinker to blink orange or amber and be legal. So that's the part of the reason too that I wanted to get this fixed. So we'll put this back in. So a little half turn there. This one in here. A little half turn there, and then let me grab the camera and show you what I mean about. Okay, so this piece here, if you try to just put this in, it won't ever lock on that side. So the first thing you do is make sure you line up these pieces here, get them where they hinge in there, and then line up all your other pieces. And I don't know if you can see down in there, but make sure that piece down there is lined up, and then Give it a solid little push, and like I said, be careful if you live in a place where the white devil falls on the ground, and your plastic will be brittle and can easily break. So now we'll just reinstall the screw at the top and give her a try. Well, see, didn't end up in a tire. It's always nice. And as far as the dent in the fender, I'm not too concerned about it. It wasn't necessarily right of someone to hit my car. You know, hey, this might not be a pretty old thing, but she's my old thing. You know, and you know, I just don't appreciate when people damage it. But yeah, we got that fixed. Matches the other side. So let's go ahead and give her a try. Oh, the light bulb's not blinking. I wonder if it's burned out. Should definitely be blinking. Or maybe it's let me see, maybe it's a running light. Well, my mistake. I thought that was a blinker, a side blinker, but I guess it's not. As you can see here, the blinker is there. So that's just I guess a side marker light. So my mistake. Sorry about that. Didn't mean to mislead anyone, but still, I believe it is law where I live to have that amber light on the side. So that'll be that. Well, that's pretty much going to wrap up this video. Went ahead and got that fixed, and the car will be legal now. I appreciate everyone watching. I really do. We are in some really goofy times right now. I just was just as a time reference for later on when I go back and watch this video or anyone else. We are in the midst of a GameStop stock frenzy right now. I don't know. I guess it's something to do with Reddit. I don't know. I'm not privy to all of that, but anyway, just help each other out. Just love each other. The harder we all work to be together and work together, the better society will go in general. So, but yeah, thanks for watching. Smash that like button, please. Everyone, smash the like button. I've learned recently that the algorithm goes off likes, not so much subscriptions. So yeah, smash the like button for me. Go back on all my videos if you're really cool, and like just throw likes on everything, you know, because what's not to like? Honestly, this is a pretty cool channel. It's really diverse, and I apologize for that, but I'm just putting out what content I can right now. I am getting ready to make the flat screen TV video, the LG Wi-Fi card change or card evaluation. I'm going to look at my card and see if the contact points look crusty or whatever, because I know a lot of you said that you're still having issues with your Wi-Fi connectability, and I read online that it can be the card and that it's not a super complicated change, but a lot of people don't know how to do it. So I'm going to try to make that content for you. But yeah, thanks for watching. Smash the subscribe button, smash the like button most of all, and have a great day.